To analyze Debank assets list, start by understanding what Debank is. A platform that provides a comprehensive view of your cryptocurrency assets and liabilities across multiple chains. The assets list on Debank is a collection of your holdings, including coins, tokens, and other digital assets. First, log into your Debank account and navigate to the Assets page. Here, you will see a list of all your assets, including their current balance, value, and price. Begin by filtering the list to focus on specific assets or chains, using the available filters such as asset type, chain, or value. Next, analyze the asset details, including the asset name, symbol, and current price. Debank also provides additional information such as the asset's market capitalization, trading volume, and price change over different time periods. To get a deeper understanding of your assets, use the portfolio analysis tools provided by Debank. These tools allow you to track your portfolio's performance over time, including your total assets value, profit and loss, and asset distribution. Another important aspect of analyzing Debank assets list is to track your assets' price movements and market trends. Use the price charts and technical indicators provided by Debank to identify trends and make informed investment decisions. Best practices for analyzing Debank assets list include regularly reviewing your asset holdings, tracking market trends, and adjusting your portfolio accordingly. It is also essential to stay up to date with market news and announcements that may impact your assets. By following these steps and using the tools provided by Debank, you can gain a comprehensive understanding of your cryptocurrency assets and make informed decisions to optimize your portfolio. Remember to always prioritize risk management and diversification to minimize potential losses.